What is good, Lottery Stocks fam? A lot of you guys did not put this penny stock on your radar, but it's up a substantial amount since we mentioned it, along with a few other ones like ticker symbol BSEM and a couple of others. If you don't have a stock like this in your portfolio, you need to pay attention until the end of the video because there could be potentially a lot more upside. I mentioned this stock around $3.30 and now it is up over $5.10. Today we are going to be talking about ticker symbol NGLD, and if you guys didn't press this video last time it uploaded on March 19th of 2024, now is your shot to watch the video all the way through. Without further ado, hit the like button on the video. Let's get right into it. Okay, so March 19th, 2024, we mentioned ticker symbol NGLD, which is Nevada Canyon Gold Corp. This stock, from the exact time we mentioned it, is up currently 52.57%, and this wasn't even at its all-time peak. The stock was up around 54 to 55% since we mentioned it, retesting its relative high. In that last video, we said this stock could go up 19% to test this fib and then break even higher and come all the way up to around $6.40 a share, and we are just on our way up to that level after breaking that fib level at that one right around $4. $4 was a crucial level for this stock. You can see it hasn't been trading for quite a long time, but once it gained traction, gained momentum, had some decent earnings, it started flagging out, building itself some levels, and volume is starting to pick up since September of 2023. So make sure to put this one on your radar before institutions end up loading up on it and other retail investors end up loading up on it. So I'm going to put this on your radar again before anybody else so that you guys can make some money. Okay, first of all, what is happening? What are they doing? This stock is up 0.69% on the day, up 18.6% in 5 days, up 88.89% in the past month. In the past 6 months, up about 26%. Year to date, 117%. 1 year, 240%. And 5 years, 466%. Absolutely crushing it if you bought in as soon as this company came about. Now, what would make you want to buy in? What does this company even do? Nevada Canyon Gold Corp engages in the acquisition and exploration of mineral properties and royalty interests. So it's not like the other plays where we talk about them on their exploration projects and their mines and what they found and what they might find. Instead, this one is doing something different. They're packaging up things, getting them out to other companies for a better price for themselves, for better revenue, for more assets on hand, partnering up with other companies, creating deals, creating royalty portfolios, so eventually down the road the company doesn't have to do anything to remain positive, essentially, right? Now, if we look right now, what happened? Why are people randomly picking this up now? It used to barcode. If we take a look at the assets to liabilities, you can see what this company has built for themselves just from what is reported from Q3 of 2023 and then Q4 of 2023. You saw total assets hovering around 1.61 million, total liabilities at 1.31 million, and then everything completely shifted. Total liabilities 1.27 million, didn't really move, but total assets 11.26 million and then 11.12 million with total liabilities at 1.31. Company is absolutely killing it health-wise, fundamental-wise, and if they keep this trajectory, right, this is only going to be the beginning. It's a $5 stock. Above $5, it is not considered a penny stock. So once it holds these levels, you may be too late. Speaking of that, the levels that I want you to watch, because I think this is going to move higher over the next year. 1618 on the fib, sitting around $6.40, $6.35. This would mean from the time we mentioned it, that would be up 90%. Okay, so watch that level. That's about another 40% gain from where we're at now. From there on out, from 640, the next level you're going to watch is around $10.25, which is the 2618 on the fib, bringing this stock from where it's trading at today up 100.54%. Next levels after that, because these can explode very fast, and I can show you an example with ticker symbol BSEM, which we covered and you guys made some money on. $14, $14 is going to bring this up 175% from where it's trading at right now. And last but not least, just under $16.50 is the level that you're going to be watching at the very top of this fib channel, bringing the stock from where it's trading at right now up 226.6%. These are the levels I want you to watch on Nevada Canyon Gold Corp. Watch what their company is doing, watch how they are building their assets, and even on TradingView you can take a look at the technicals. Technicals are saying a buy on the daily, a buy on the monthly, a buy with several different indicators. And if you take a look at past performance of the stock, the 1 week, the 1 month, the 3 month, 6 month, year to date, and the 1 year are all insane gains on the stock. So if you've been holding this, you've been making a ton of money. You can take a look at the health of the company. You've been building a solid portfolio if this one is sitting in your portfolio. And if you guys want the entire investor presentation on Nevada Focus Gold royalty streaming and exploration acceleration, which the company has built for you just to show you, put it all on a clean plate and say this is what we do, here's why you should invest, I will leave the link at the very top of the description and pin at the top of comments so you guys can go look at it. Their business model is inherently scalable and efficient according to their website, resulting in margin expansion as the price of gold increases. They are not exposed to the inflationary pressures which have impacted the rate of return and profit margins of operating mining and exploration companies over the past several years. So they are in this game without the risk. They are in this game with major margin expansion, which you can see in their health benefits with their company's fundamentals. And I'm going to leave the investor presentation again at the top of the video and pin in the top of comments. Overall, let me know if you're getting in Nevada Canyon Gold, or you have made money on it from my last video, or you just don't want to touch it. Either way, let me know in the comments down below. As always, this was a sponsored stock, sponsored video. I don't cover the companies unless I like what they're doing or they are doing extremely well. Thank you, Sideways Frequency, for sponsoring today's video. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.